Hey guys, it's Juliana here and welcome back to my channel today. And today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial on Ariana Grande today. And this makeup tutorial is going to be on that new song, Rain on Me by Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga. So I'm going to be trying and doing her makeup style on with the white eyeliner. So I want to try that, so hopefully it'll go okay. Eyeliner that is white, so I don't know how well it's gonna be, but we're gonna try this today and see how good it will be. Alright, so this is the makeup kind of eye thing that I'm gonna try to do and do my normal makeup, and yeah, we're gonna try to get this the same as my eye makeup. So I don't really know like how to do all that, but we're gonna try and make it look cool. And I already have like a cute little purple top. Don't have something like that, but it's kind of the same. But this would be kind of cute to put. That would be kind of cute to put my clothes and my makeup and my hair together. So, I mean, I don't know if I want to curl my hair or keep my hair like this. Her hair is like straight and down and like wavy, sort of. But yeah, so I don't know, we're gonna see how this turns out. So I got my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And yeah, I have no makeup on, so let's get into the makeup tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to be using this foundation. So, yeah, foundation. Don't really know names on makeup, but yeah. But we're going to be using this. I'm going to put this on my face. And we're going to be using this face thing for my face first, and then you gotta wait like a couple minutes, and then I put the foundation on and then all the other ones. So we're going to do this first. Then to rub it all in. Yeah, like blend it all in. Don't exactly know how she does it. Well, I don't think she does it, but her makeup artist does it. But it looks really cool, so I kind of want to maybe try that for a YouTube video. And put this underneath my eye. Put a little bit on my chin. And you just blend it in. Okay, so now we're gonna let that dry a little bit. And now we're gonna be using one of the powder stuff. So I'm gonna put a little bit. And yeah, so I'm gonna need that. And now I'm using another sponge brush that I use for the powder. And I just put it on where I put the thing underneath my eye and my chin. So I'm gonna put that on. When I need the mirror, so I'm just gonna pat this. Take my mirror Alright, so now that's on and we're gonna let that sit for a little while and finish the rest of my makeup. So now we are gonna go ahead and probably do my eyebrows. So we're gonna let this sit. So I closed the door on my cat so she does not come in and bother me. So yeah, Chloe's out there. Don't know what she's doing. But I'll bring her in probably when I'm done my makeup, and yeah, she would probably want to come say hi to you guys. So then we're gonna have to wait for my boyfriend to get home, so we might do like a little vlog. I don't know. Hopefully it looks good. Yeah, my eyebrows look good. Yeah, okay. I don't know. I don't know what she has on her like eyeshadow makeup, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna like actually make it look cool and nice. Like, I don't know. I don't know how hers is. Really hard in the picture. But yeah. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put any like eyeshadows really in it. Maybe a little bit of my pink maybe. Like blend it in a little bit with some blush crease of my eye. Actually, it does not look too bad with this. Using some black eyeliner. So, gotta shake this. So hopefully I do this right. So I'm gonna be doing like a cat eye. So I don't know how good this is gonna be. Yeah, so I think that's looking good. And then I have to get the cat eye. Not really good at cat eyes. Like, how do people do this so good? That's crazy. Okay, so I know that looks good. A little bit different than the other side, but yeah, and I am not good at eyeliner. Cat eyes. Oh my god, I'm getting that. Another. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this brush. Brush this out. We're gonna be using this. A little bit dirty, but we're gonna be using this for my cheeks and my jawline and my forehead and my nose. So we're gonna go ahead, use my nose first. This little brush. Then I'm gonna be using this brush to blend blend that in with my nose. A little bit weird, but then blend the cheeks. And the forehead a little bit. A little blush to it, to the cheeks. We're going to be using this little outline lip thing. Don't know, like the lip liner thing, but I choose this color. So should have gotten a little bit darker one, but yeah. There you go. I can't really tell, probably. My lips are a little bit different, so yeah. And we're gonna be using this dark color lipstick. And just put a little bit on my lips. Hey guys, so my camera just died, so I'm using my phone. So we're gonna finish my makeup on my phone. So again, you're probably gonna still hear people, car, like, come on, recording. So yeah. So the lipstick is a little bit too dark. That's okay. But I'm gonna be using this little lipstick. Like not a light light, but like that kind of light. But something like that. Not too light, not too dark. It's actually pretty perfect, but a little too much, but for me. So now we are gonna be using some highlighter for my nose and cheekbones, stuff like that. So we're gonna put this on, and then we'll finish up the eye. So now we're gonna be opening this, and we're gonna see how good this will be. Hopefully it does not mess up. Okay, so oh, okay. So, we'll see how good this is. Not really working as well. I think I need to go in the mirror, so I'll be right back so I can try doing it in a bigger mirror and hold my eye probably. So I can't really hold this, and then I'll come back and see how it looks.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so I'm back and I just finished the white eyeliner thing. The same thing of Ariana. Not really that good, but the eyeliner that I got was not really good as putting it on. But I tried some like white paints. Hopefully it did not ruin my eyes or anything. But I am gonna put some mascara on right now, so because I basically I thought I hit a chord, but I didn't hit a chord when I was doing my eyelashes. So, but I did it, so you guys can see it, so it kind of sucks. But yeah, I'm gonna finish putting mascara on my eyes. And I'm gonna fix this, but it didn't look too bad, so. So, yeah, that is it for this makeup tutorial. But my camera is still charging, so still on my phone. So I'm just gonna do a little vlog and probably show you a little bit more in the sunlight. So yeah, so. Alright, bye-bye.
Holy sh! There's a bear in the tree.
So,
Holy sh! Stella, let's go!
You done?
Run! Where'd it go?
you baby. How's work?
Good.
Yeah.
Why are you videotaping on your phone?
Cause my camera battery's dead. See? Come here, Chloe.
What was your video?
Ariana makeup tutorial.
Ariana makeup tutorial?
Yeah.
Oh. Easy.
Yeah, it's alright. I don't know, I said. You wanna say hi? Hey guys, so I am back and my camera is charged and yeah, so hi. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Grande rain on moon tutorial makeup. So yeah, that's why. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Put a big thumbs up if you guys like this and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Make sure to click that subscribe button and also on all my social medias on here. I'll see you guys next time.